how to fix Valorant lag problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, just open Task Manager, and then just close all the applications that takes your memory. As you see, applications like Google Chrome, right click and click in the task, and that's it. Now after that, type here advanced window, wait, type here advanced system settings, and here we'll find it. Click on it. Now go to system, go to settings, I mean in advanced and performance, go to settings, and now click adjust for best performance. And now you can enable, if you want anything here you can enable it, and then just click apply and click OK and OK again. And now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.